Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we will learn how to get individual rows from our table. So let's use this script as a base for our new script, which will be like select all. So file, save as, select all.php, and we will work here, but we need to throw away some things. So we don't need this, and we will work with pure SQL command here, which will be select all from table, in our case people. Don't forget to close it with semicolon. Now that is not enough, we need to issue it. So action equals, you know this from last tutorial, nothing special here, MySQLi query, and that thing demands left side and right side, two arguments, first connection and then actual command, which we have SQL command. Okay, and down there we need to work with individual rows from general report, and we'll do that using while loop. So while, and how to get that one line? Well, we will use new function MySQLi fetch assets. So what is this? This is a function, let me explain that into the documentation, that will fetch a result row as an associative array. So you probably know this from PHP playlists, that in associative array, which is basically dictionary in Python terminology, we have a left side and a right side. On the left side we have key, on the right side we have value. So in this case, when we grab results, left side will be name of column, okay, so that's permanent thing in our case, and right side there will be actual data, okay, like addresses and emails and so on and so on. So columns and actual values, pretty much that. So let's work with that. We need to pass to this function result of this action. Okay, so let's do that here. And with that we will have all individual lines from pile of general results. So just imagine that you're working with pure MySQL terminal in command prompt, and when you type select all from specific table, you will have a lot of results, but all those results will be in individual separated rows. So with a line, it's like we work with only one row, so we can get there and see what is inside of individual column, okay, like intersection of horizontal and vertical line, and we have that element. Let me just type that here. For example, we wanna print only ID, okay, and we will concatenate our custom report with line. And because this is associative array, we will use keys, and because we are searching for ID, the column name will be ID, exactly like it's in database, okay? After we are done with that, we will use a one break to have a nicer results. Okay, so save, and let's go to our page, select all PHP, and there you go. So everything works, it looks well as a normal result, so only we are searching for ID, and we have ID here. So now let's extract all those individual things about specific row. So basically for every column, for every row, we have that in a report. We will have that in a report. So echo custom report, like name plus line, and key will be name. So you get this up till now, I think, and we will use break to go to next line. So let's copy paste this to save ourselves a little bit of time. What else we have? Last name, and key will be last name. So this is name of column, okay, nothing special here. What else we have? Email, I think, no, telephone, And I think, what was the order? Address or email? Let me see. Structure, email, and then address. Okay. So where I was here, email, and address, and the name of column as a key, and meta, like date and time, date/time. Name of column was meta. Okay, see, for timestamp. And after that, so this will be for one row. So after that, let's type one horizontal line, which will be basically delimiter between individual rows. Okay, so let me see where I was. Select all, refresh, and there you go. So let me see what I have. ID, that's cool, name, last name, telephone, email address. We didn't forget anything, but this report looks a little bit stupid. Everything is on top of each other. So let's fix that actually. We will pull this break, we don't need that. Let's concatenate that with this, and let me fix this here. So we will concatenate name with line, and let's go down there, and then we will concatenate that with let me see, telephone. Okay, and then what else we have? Email, and that, and what else? Let me see. This is a little bit confusing for me, but apparently I will handle it. And date and time, we need to concatenate that, or we'll run into kind of mess. What else we need? Well, yeah, that's pretty much it. And now we will use HR here. So basically what I have done is I eliminate all those breaks, and now we will have everything on one line for individual row. Yes, it looks a little bit confusing, but you can arrange this a little bit better. I don't know, like let me see what I can do here. Like this, maybe it's better. Just a second. Something like that. And down there, well, PHP is like that. Sometimes it can look a little bit nasty and messy, but that's what we have for now. Save, and I think that everything will be fine. Where is my browser? Refresh, and there you go. So we need to have a little bit of break here, like space. And yeah, let's do that. Where is the problem? Email. Let me find that. Here. And here, and here, and here, and here. And I think that will get the job done. Okay, so that works. That's kind of cool. Well, yeah, this is it. Nothing special here. I do know that it looks a little bit messy, but it works, you know. It looks like those reports from MySQL terminal. So of course you can use Bootstrap 4 here, you can use table structure, HTML table, to get nicer results, but that's not what I want to do here. I just want to learn, I just want to show you to how get these things. So let me repeat how we get there. We were using pure HTML, MySQL command, then we are issuing that thing using MySQL query, and then we are passing those results to this function, because this function is dedicated for extraction of individual lines. And now in those individual lines we have columns, so we are using that on the left side, custom report, and on the right side we are using keys from associative array to get right side, which are values. Okay, so yeah, you can practice this, but it will work, no problem. And up here, maybe we can say like echo h1 and h1 results, just to delimit things from here. Okay. Oops. Problem on 24. Where is that? Yep, semicolon. Normal stuff in PHP. And there you go. So anyway, thank you for watching, and as always, see you next tutorial.